All right, hello ninth graders and the sprinkling of 10th and 11th graders that I have in this class as well. That is the last time you will hear that cheesy greeting because this is your last video of the year. As we approach the last day of school, I felt it was only appropriate to thank you guys and to say goodbye, obviously, just because we didn't really get the chance to do that formally or in the way that I would have liked in school. So here it is, your Miss Holloway goodbye video. I want to start by saying thank you because whether you remember it or not, I started in this classroom as a novice teacher, a student teacher, back in September. Basically stood around in your classroom for 6 weeks and watched you and then attempted to teach you for the end of that experience. And that was cool and I was grateful for that. And I was like, yeah, a really good experience. And then I graduated and they told me I could come back. And I was like, this is when I redeem myself with these kids. This is when I actually get to know these kids because I didn't really get the chance that I would have liked to do that with student teaching. And I felt like that was like the greatest blessing, the greatest opportunity being given to me to really tackle on a group of kids that I thought were really amazing. You guys probably don't know this because you just do it naturally, but you are a very charming and welcoming group of kids. Not every classroom is like this. I think it has something to do with the fact that you guys travel with the same group of kids for so many years and you all just know each other so well. So whoever is teaching you kind of gets the opportunity to embrace this awesome family of kids who have gotten to know each other so well and work together so well. And it's seriously like a teacher's dream. Kids who just are like full force, willing to do everything that you tell them to do because they're all just like natural leaders. And that's what I believe that all of you guys are. I think that you have all gone through experiences that have prepared you for this point, and you are ready to move on to 10th, 11th, 12th grade. Like you guys are all really embracing that leadership mentality that teachers like to see in students. And so for that, I applaud you. Especially when I took over for this class in January, I really felt like I was being welcomed in as your teacher, and there was no question as to whether you guys were going to cooperate or not. You welcomed me with open arms, and for that, I am forever grateful. You accepted every challenge, whether it be academic or socio-emotional, that I put in front of you, and you said, yeah, let's do it, which is really, really cool. And then jumping into online learning, the progress that you guys have made with kind of figuring out this whole distance learning thing and doing well with it is extraordinary. Like truly, we started off and everybody was like asking me 900 questions a day. Like I was like, this is never going to work. How are we going to do this for 9 weeks? And then all of a sudden I felt like we hit a stride and everyone was doing exactly what they were supposed to do every single day. And everyone was using the messenger feature to ask me questions constantly, which I loved. It felt like we were in school. It felt like there was a little bit of normalcy, just enough normalcy to make everything okay. I was like, yes, I have this communication with my students still. I have these relationships with my students still. Everything is okay. And so the sad part about this all is that I won't get to see you guys in person again because I have accepted a position elsewhere for next year. I'll be teaching 7th graders, which is going to be a big bucket of fun, but it makes it extra sad because I'm not like one of those teachers who could just go back next year and, say hello to you guys in the hallway as a 9th grade teacher just in your midst. But for now, here is your goodbye. I am super sad to be doing this on a computer. It's not fun for me either. But I just want you to know how grateful I am to have had this experience with you guys be my first real classroom experience as a licensed teacher. So know that I am available via all the emails that I gave you. If you ever wanted to shoot me a message or stay in contact, I'm totally willing to do that. Otherwise, this is it. Again, this has been awesome, truly, even though it has only been a couple of months in person, a couple of months online. I've enjoyed every minute of it. I have learned so much from teaching all of you guys, 90 kids who have probably taught me something different every single day. So thank you for being awesome. We might not see each other in person again, but please feel free to reach out if you have any stories to share or need advice or any sort of insights from me. I am fully willing to do that for you. All right. Thank you guys and have an amazing summer. Mwah.